Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we learned what HTML is and how websites are made. But to write HTML code, we need a tool. And today we are going to learn about that tool, VS Code. In this video, I will explain what VS Code is and how to download and open VS Code step by step. So, if you're just starting web development, don't worry, everything will be explained from zero. So, our first question is, what is VS Code? VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code. It is a free code editor developed by Microsoft. We use VS Code to write code like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many other programming languages. In simple words, VS Code is a place where we write our code. Now you might think, can't we write HTML code in Notepad? Yes, we can. But VS Code makes our work much easier. VS Code helps us by writing code faster, finding mistakes, making code more readable. That's why most developers use VS Code. Now let's understand a new word, IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Don't worry about the big name. In simple words, an IDE is a software that helps us write, edit, and manage code easily. VS Code works like an IDE for us. VS Code is perfect for beginners because it is free, lightweight, easy to use, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. That's why we will use VS Code in this HTML series. Now let's see how to download VS Code. First, open your browser, search VS Code download and press enter. Open the official website. Now when you visit the VS Code website, you will see three options here: Windows, Linux, and Mac. These options are for different operating systems. Just choose the option according to your system. If you are using Windows, click on Windows. If you are using Mac, click on Mac, and same with Linux. After selecting your option, just click on the download button. The download will start. If you already have VS Code installed, don't worry, downloading it again will not delete anything. It will only update VS Code to the latest version and your files and settings stay safe. After the download is complete, open the setup file, click next, accept the agreement and click next. Click on create desktop icon in it, and if open with code option is not selected, select it so that you can directly open VS Code by pressing shift plus right click button. Keep the default settings and click next. Finally click install. Installation will take a few seconds. Once installation is complete, click finish. Then VS Code will open, but if your code is not open, you can view it on your desktop screen and then open it. This is the VS Code interface where we will write our HTML code. Before writing code, we always open a folder in VS Code. A folder is just a place where all your project files are stored. To open a folder, click on File, click Open Folder, select your folder, and click Select Folder. Now your project is ready. Here we get all the extensions, one of which is Auto Rename Tag. Search for the auto rename tag, then select it, then click on the install button. It will help you to rename opening and closing tags together. And you might not be aware of opening and closing tags, so don't worry, we will discuss that later. Search for the live server, then select it and then click on the install button. It will help you to see your HTML changes live. No refresh needed. Now you might notice that I already have some extensions installed like live server and auto rename tag. That's because I have already downloaded and used VS Code before. Don't worry at all when you install VS Code for the first time. These extensions will not be installed automatically. You just have to open the extensions tab, search the extension name and click on install. That's it. Very simple. I'm showing you these extensions now so you know which ones are important and how they work. So if you see anything already installed on my screen, just remember I installed it earlier. You only need to click install. So in this video we learned what is VS Code, why we need it, what is an ID, and how to download and open VS Code. So let's wrap up here. In the next video, we will write our first HTML code using VS Code. We will write our first HTML file and see it running in the browser. So don't miss the next part. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment VS Code below. See you in part 3. Keep learning.